Okay, so we made a new stacked wall that works really nice into getting rid of the bond area here. But remember that the um, family room also is 2 stories, so we need to fix that. So I'll come over to the floor plan and let's click on this wall first and change it to our wall +4 and let's see what happens. Nice, look at that. It changed this wall. Didn't take the windows out, left the windows in, just changed the wall type, which was a really nice feature. And let's do the same thing on these other 2 walls. No, this is not going to be an outside wall. This is a wall between the house and the garage. So we'll have to modify that. But this wall we can change, and it's real simple. We just come over here, most recent use, come down here, +4, and it takes that out of there. Okay, so we've done those 2 walls. Let's take a look at this wall and see what we need to do. It's going to be very similar to what we did before. Let's take a look at this section right here. Go to the view. All right. So here's my garage. Got my garage doors in. This wall comes up and actually, oh no, this has siding on the outside, which we kind of want to keep. Okay, so let's edit the type and we're just going to take it out. So we'll duplicate it and we'll just call it no bond. So it's going to be the house garage wall. It's just not going to have a bond. So everything else will stay the same. So we'll edit this type. This this wall has the 2 pieces at the top, which is nice. Okay. Then we have this wall, which we're going to keep, but we're going to make it we're going to take the bond out. So we'll make this wall a foot taller. So we'll make that 7 feet. And then we'll delete this bond. And there we go. We have that wall nice. Same height because we took a foot of the bond height out. We added a foot to this wall. And we'll say, okay, and let's see what happens. Boom, look at that. We look over here. Now, we can still see the lines. Sometimes we don't really care in terms of this view, but we can see if we can join it. Let's use the join command and we'll just click on this and see if it'll let us join it. And it's not. Actually, it looks like there's something weird going on there. So let's zoom in and see what we have. Oh, look at that. I need to move that wall back. Let's measure the distance from here to here, 3/8 of an inch. Okay, so let's grab this wall. We will edit the type. Let's preview it, and we need to take this top wall and move it back 3/8 of an inch. So not this one. This is a nice feature of making sure that you're selecting the wall you think, and it's not, well, actually, those will have to go back too, but let's do this one first. So what happens if we take that 3/8 of an inch out of there? So I'm always confused on whether it should be, oh, undo that. Let's cancel that out of there and we'll come back in and do it again. I just want to take the 3/8 of an inch out of there. So let's see if we delete that. It's still -4 inches. And let's see, looks like it lines up now. That's good. So I can see that I need to do the same thing with these two. So we'll take that 3/8 of an inch out of it. I'm gonna just delete it and let's see what happens. Yeah, that looks like it's lining up. And then we'll take the 3/8 of an inch out of here and let's see what happens. Looks like it lines up all the way now. So we'll say, okay. Again, another advantage of that 3D view is that we were able to see that there was an issue there, and now everything looks good. All right, so that's the difference that we made. The family room is here. We're showing the bond that we put in because there was assumed to be a second floor, which there is in most parts of the exterior wall of the house. But in this case, uh, it's going to be a single uh, wall all the way from the floor up to the ceiling. And so we wanted to put that together. So we modified these two stacked walls quite easily. And now I still need to put some stacked windows on top of these sliding glass door walls that'll line up with the top of that, but they'll just be solid windows, and we'll do a tutorial on how to make that, because I don't think we have that available to us as the family, as a family right now. So that's basically the next fix in terms of modifying our stacked walls. Once we've made our initial stacked wall, it's real easy to modify those for any particular situations. And in this case, we do have a particular situation, which is similar to the situation in the great room. So we have 2-story spaces.